8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are building a fireplace. So I got this for Christmas. You guys can see that. So I want to come to the tree. So I built this heart right here. There. And I built this guitar. So yeah, so I built those two, and now I'm building the fireplace. So we have to go in order, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So when it's all done, then you can put all of them on the tree, like we did right now. So here we go. Yeah, so that's what it was before, and now Daddy opened this part. And I thought there was 2 boxes, but then when I put it like this, then I know it's just 1 box. So I thought like he ripped this part off, and then, so yeah. Like this, and you can put them on the tree. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna show you part of the thing. So here's the fire right there where the little translucent things are. I don't know if you can see it that well, but then we have this stocking right here. So it has white, and it has red, so I can tell it's stocking. And we have this purple thing, and right here, which you can guys see. And these little brick things. And we have this black thing to hang it up. So, I might need another hanger. I think I'm gonna text somebody. Guys, this is not a real phone. I'm just pretending it's a calculator. I'm just pretending it's a phone. So yeah, I'm back. And these are the hooks. So we put them around. So I'm not gonna do this part. So I don't know if you put it up or down, but I think it's like, I think you can put it whatever way you want. There. Oh wait, I think I put it the wrong way. Okay. So we got this little fireplace. I hope we don't lose any. And this, guys, this is a nutcracker. I was wondering what it is. And guys, this is the nutcracker right here. So I'm gonna let you guys see that where I'm putting this. And you guys see it there that Daddy put this, and it's super shiny. I really like it. So I'm gonna put the fireplace right here. There. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Remember, make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and give it a huge thumbs up. Bye!